The latest price action of APT, also known as Alpha Platform Token. According to CoinMarketCap, APT is currently at 34 cents with a market cap of $2,456,882. Over the past week, APT has experienced a sharp decline, dropping 30% from its high of $18.01 on April 8. The cryptocurrency's current price level is hovering around a key psychological level of $13, which may prove to be a make or break point for the token's future price action. We can look to technical analysis indicators such as the Relative Strength Index. RSI for APT is indicating that the token is oversold, meaning that there may be an opportunity for buyers to enter the market at a discounted price. However, the MACD is currently showing a bearish signal, which suggests that the downtrend may continue. One potential centralized finance (DeFi) platform that aims to provide users with a more accessible and inclusive financial ecosystem. The Q2 of 2021, which could generate significant interest and demand for the APT token. In terms of where buyers can look to enter the market, one key level to keep an eye on $11 range, which has historically served as strong support for APT. If the token is able to hold this level and reverse its current downtrend, we may see a resurgence in buying pressure and a potential price rally. Looking at the daily charts, that APT has found support just above the $11 level, which has held as support several times in the past. If the stock can continue to hold this level, it may be a good opportunity for buyers to enter or add to their positions. In addition to the technical support at $11, APT has several fundamental factors that may support its long-term growth. The company, as a leading investors should set clear entry and exit points and use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. It is also important to keep an eye on news and developments related to the healthcare and industrial sectors, as well as any updates from Alpha Pro Tech regarding its product line and financial performance. The market sentiment for APT was bearish, as the price of the asset had been in a downtrend for the past few weeks. However, the asset had found support at the $13 psychological level, and the bulls were looking for an opportunity to enter the market. The MACD indicator showed that the asset was in a bearish momentum, but the stochastic indicator suggested that the asset was oversold and a bullish reversal was likely to happen soon. If the asset could break above the $15 resistance, to break above this level, it could continue its downtrend and find support at lower levels. They could also look to buy the asset at its current support level of $13, but they would need to be cautious, as the asset was in a bearish momentum. On the other hand, if the asset failed to break above the $15 resistance level, However, if the asset broke below the $13 support level, it could continue its downtrend and find support at lower levels. As mentioned earlier, there are a number of potential support levels that could come into play if the price of APT continues to decline. One of the key levels to watch out for is around the 12-cent mark, as this has been a significant area of support in the past. If the price falls below this level, it could trigger a further wave of selling as investors look to lock in their profits and cut their losses. However, there are also a number of potential for any positive news or developments surrounding the APTX platform itself. Positive news that could help to boost investor sentiment towards the project. In conclusion, the recent pullback in the price of APT is likely a healthy correction following a period of strong gains. While there are a number of potential support levels that could come into play if the price continues to decline, there are also a number of potential bullish factors that could help to support the price in the near term. As always, investors should exercise caution and do their own research before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's update on APT's price action. Stay tuned.